Hi guys, it's Miss Davis here. Today we're going to be talking about the Module 2, Lesson 14. We're going to be talking about the taking from 10 strategy by drawing a picture. And first what we're going to do is that we're going to look at 11 minus 9. Well, we know that 11 minus 9, we know that 11 is the larger number. So we know that we are going to draw our larger part. So we're going to draw 11. The 10 way. So we know that 11 would be 10, 1. So I'm going to draw 10 and then 1. Now I drew it in the 5 group row, which means that I had 5 circles. Once I had 5 circles in one row, I had to start a new row. Now my second step is that I'm going to box in my 10. Remember in first grade, that 10 is going to be important. Our third step is going to be to take 9 from 10. So we're going to cross out 9 from the 10 that we boxed in. So we're going to cross out 9. And now we're going to circle the rest. Now looking at this, there's one inside the box and one that's outside the box. We know that 1 plus 1 equals 2. So that means that 11 minus 9 also equals 2. Alright guys, that's it for this lesson. Thank you.